Hey everybody, it's Dirk here with Rope's Edge. I wanted to take a minute to tell you how to teach everybody how to retie some accessory cord back onto the Vortex here. The Vortex and the Vortex 1x1 have holes in the bottom to accept accessory cord for clipping it to your harness. Adding, once it's through the grating, you can also add additional edge protection below the grating. So this is what you do. Initially, make sure the holes are free of debris. Make sure there's no dirt there in there from the last job or project or whatever. There probably won't be because it's been full of accessory cord up until now. And these new ones coming right off the printer, which I've got here, do once in a while have some of the powder left from the depowdering process. But get it in there, and then give it a nice little barrel knot. Okay, and I like to use as little as I possibly can, so I'll work the knot up, away, then I'll give it a little tiny bit of a snugging, and then I'll cinch it down, and then I'll kind of work it towards the outer side. And then what I'll do is I'll get another set of pliers here, and I'll pull it tight. Then I'm gonna leave about 4-5 mil of rope there, and then 8 inches. I've got it marked on my board here. I'm gonna cut it at approximately 8 inches. I like to use these particular snips. They're good for AM steel or HMTP, and they tend to work really well on accessory cord because of how sharp and durable they are, and they last forever. But anyway, and it makes a nice clean cut. That one went through a lot better than the other one, but so it's hit or miss. But typical is just like you saw there. So again, tie a barrel knot, a double overhand barrel knot. Okay, so I like to work the rope over and through, and give it a bit of a pull. I only want to end up with about that much there. So again, I'm gonna work it over, and then I'll cinch it up. Okay, I'm gonna give it a tiny bit of a snugging like I did the other one there, and then continue to work it to the outside of the whole pattern. And then it's time to yank on it, snug it up a little bit, and then, so that's that for now. Okay, so what I like to do in bulk, I've got a few here to do them in production right now. It's that time of the month, and where I do a bunch, so I don't do them one at a time like this where I go on off. But what we do is we singe it a tiny little bit. Now if you are doing a whole whack of these right now, you need some proper ventilation, so do that please, of which I do open up the shop when I do this component here. But we're doing one, and I can't wear the mask and talk to you at the same time. So what I like to do is to just burn it a tiny bit, and then with a flat steel surface, give it a tap. And then what that does is it kind of puts a little cap on. Hopefully it's focusing in on this, on the tail of the accessory cord in the barrel knot. So you want it to look something like this. It's not going to be much less than this one, but not much longer than that one. And you want, like I said, these knots are meant to be on the outsides. Okay. All right. So that's adding accessory cord, 2.75 or 2.5 mil accessory cord to your Vortex grating edge management device. Any questions? Info at Rope's Edge, Facebook, Instagram. I do have TikTok right now as well. I've jumped on there. Haven't quite gotten used to that one yet, but we'll see how she goes. Get at me any way you like with any questions, and I'll answer as best I can. Hope you're having a good day. Be safe and take care of each other. Talk soon.